Hello and welcome to today's video training. So today is actually a training. It's something I want to reveal to you guys on how you can profit with your Tron coin right now. I know a lot of guys, actually a lot of my friends on Facebook especially, purchased Tron coin, and I think I don't know how it actually works. I think it's a kind of an investment coin also. I don't actually know, but a lot of guys purchase it and are making profit with it. They've actually been making a lot of money with it, though it's actually very cheap to get, very cheap to purchase. Just 0 points, less than $1. So now I know a lot of people are stuck right now because the coin is actually depreciating in value. I think for the last 10 to 7 days now, the coin has just been going down the line, and the value has been decreasing day after day. And the truth is, it's going to continue decreasing over and over again, and that's why you need to just go ahead and take the smart move right now and sell all of your coins right away. Look at it, you can see this is Tron right now on CoinMarketCap. You can see it's on the negative minus 3.17%, and you can see the flow map. So you can see, so I think this is the point where people were actually purchasing about 2 weeks ago. People are actually purchasing, buying a share of this coin. So you can see it has been falling. So after people actually finished purchasing, when the supply was so huge, then you can see a lot of dropping has just come in. And the truth is, it's going to keep going down at least for the next 5 to 6 days. So what you need to do is you need to begin to sell all of your coin just to keep you in profit. And actually that's what you need to do when you want to make money with all these crypto coins. You don't just keep buy coin and then you keep it, you hold it, and then you want to hold it for a year, 2 years, 3 years. No. That's not how it's done. You don't profit with cryptocurrencies like that. What you need to do is you buy them at the right time when it's highly favorable, and then you sell them off when it's extremely cheap and when it's okay for you to sell. That's how you make profits with cryptocurrencies, with crypto coins. So now, based on what this video is all about Tron, because I know a lot of guys actually purchased Tron, so I want to show you exactly what you need to do to sell your coin right away. So what you need to do first, I'm going to show you the stats here. I'm going to show you some stats that's going to help you actually see that why you need to sell off this coin right now. Before I go in that, please permit me to just say something. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button below. And if you've not followed me on Facebook, let's connect. Facebook, here we can actually know each other better, and we can talk more on that. We can connect and then share more stuff together. And I share a lot of stuff on my timeline, so we can connect together, and you also can jump on some of my stuffs that I give away. So that's all about that. So don't forget, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question on this, you can ask under this video, ask in the comment section. So all right, based back to Tron coin right now. So we can see it's actually decreasing, and I've said it's going to decrease. It's going to keep on decreasing at least for the next 5 to 6 days. And today is 20th of September. 20th of September. This is exactly about 10 minutes to 11 p.m. on Sunday. So that's I'm making this video right now, and it's going to, I said it's going to decrease more and more and more. So here is why I said so. Now there's a website I use to check the stats of coins, especially for those who do forex trading. So you can get stats right here. So let me just show you something. Okay, so you can see this is Tron right here on this platform. So we can see the market cap interval, the change in market cap for Tron coin. So we can see, so right there you can see in the last 24 hours, just last 24 hours, it has lost, you can see it has gone down again in 5.83%. You can see it has depreciated 5% further, and in the last 7 days a total of 7.84% depreciation. And the last 30 days, you can remember, in the last 30 days was when a lot of people actually jumped on this coin, so it actually got some relevance and gained more value to over 17.22%. So you can see a lot of shares was actually bought. About 305 million of this coin was purchased, and in the past 1 year you can see over 988 $1 million invested into this coin, and that's a huge 90.87% surge. So we can see all that, and the date of its highest and the date of high, the day of its high, most increase of 16.18%. So it has not exceeded this at all. So it was on 1st of June 2018. I think that was when it launched actually. So you can say, okay, this is what we need. In the last 24 hours, this coin has gone minus 5%, depreciation of 5%, and in the last 7 days, this is minus 7%. So let's see the next okay, I think this is still the same thing. Okay, so this is just the future prediction. The coming days ahead. So this is a 7-day price prediction. So as at today, 20:09 1 a.m. So we can see, so this price, the price of this coin is going to be at this point in the next 7 days. So you can see it's still going to be on a negative value of minus 19.19%. so it's still going to go further and then reduce up to this point. Right now it's selling for 0.024458. so you can see, so it's going to go further down again, and that's why it's very important to go off and sell this coin right now, or else you're going to lose, in fact, 50% or 80% of all the coins you've gathered together during this relaunch of this coin. So you can see, so on the 26th of 9, the price of this coin would have gone down and extremely low. So you don't want that to happen to your coin, so make sure you go ahead and sell the coin. One more thing I forgot to actually say when I was starting this video, please, this is just based on my own recommendation. I'm not an expert, I'm not a crypto expert, though I do crypto, but I'm not a professional, I'm not an expert. It's just based on my own research, based on my own findings. So you can actually stick with what works to you and based on what you have as a plan on this business. I know some people take this as a real business, so you can actually check it out, plan it, and see if this is what you need to do, if you need to sell your coin or you just leave it right there. But as for me, if I have a coin, I don't have a coin, I didn't purchase this coin because I didn't see a very solid framework backing this coin. No, I didn't. I only saw people, jumping on this coin and then this and that. So I didn't purchase this coin. I don't even know how the wallet looks like, how the site looks like. I don't know, but because I see a lot of my friends actually using this coin, buying this coin, I just thought of making a video on showing you guys how you can actually go on and make profit with it right now. Because I know if you keep your coin right now still there, in the next 5 days, well, everything might disappear or it might just get empty. So I think that's all about that. Okay, let me just see if there are any sites, any coin you can actually purchase once you've sold your Tron coin. Let me see. Let me come back to this site and see if I can spot a coin that you guys can purchase. Yeah, okay, I think this is one new. So this coin, I don't know the name of the coin, but it's new. So the coin is currently worth 26 per dollar. A coin of new is worth $26, 26.75. So you can see this coin now is going to increase in the next 5 days. That's 8% increase in the next 5 to 6 days. So you can actually sell off your Tron and then buy new. I don't know how it works. I don't know how they exchange the coin and purchase this. I don't know all that, but if there's any way to exchange all this, but I think Tron does not have any. It's not yet into all these exchange sites, so it won't be easy for you to just exchange Tron. I think the only way is just to sell. Look for those interested in buying Tron. You sell to them. If it's going to be very cheap, give them discounts and sell them off, and then you can pick up new and buy this, and then the next 6 days you can make some profit, and then once you see this is declining again, you can sell it off and then buy Tron if it begins to rise again. So you can actually go ahead and look for more coins that you can actually purchase. You can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy the major ones. Yes, these are the major coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other one you actually know about. So go ahead and then invest your money wisely. Don't just put your money anywhere you see people where the crowd is. No, analyze things before you invest your money, and then you definitely get huge returns on it. So that's all about now, guys. So if you have Tron, you have a Tron account, you have a Tron coins, you have millions of it or thousands of it, this is the best time to sell them off, because it's going to depreciate and keep depreciating till the next till 26th. Let me mention the date, so in case someone is seeing this after then. So 26 is going to depreciate until this time, and if you keep it like that, you're going to lose a lot of money. So sell them off right now, then you can purchase after this date if it's actually going to increase, if it's now increasing after then. So I think that's all for now about how to make profit with your Tron coin right now. So if you have any question, don't forget you can comment under this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question for me, just comment, like this video, please kindly like the video. And if you can share, you can go ahead and share with your friends or your social media platforms. A lot of people will be losing money on Tron, and some will be looking for how they can purchase, how they can sell off their Tron. I don't know of any platform. If not, I would have shared with you guys, but I don't know of any platform. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it for watching to the end. You know where to find me. Feel free to get in touch with me. I appreciate you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.